Where do you see the some of the biggest blind spots today, like places where organizations are still relying on maybe assumptions instead of, what's really happening in the real world?
I would say a starting point really is around any time there's a handoff. And what I mean by that is if you're leaving one source or node in the supply chain and then something moves in transit to another location, that's what we typically are classifying areas that we call brownouts. The infrastructure requirements historically, when you look at machine vision type technologies that require line of sight with QR codes, barcodes, or even with RFID, where the infrastructure cost of gates, bridges that are associated with reading those tags, they're a higher price point. They become very expensive to outfit trucks, trailers, anything in transit. That's where the biggest issue today comes in. So manufacturing to distribution, that handshake, distribution to shop floor, that handshake, and that's where we're also seeing a very good inroad with our technology. Is that because the hardware is a relatively low lift from an expense perspective, you could get in and outfit a whole supply chain very quickly. You get the additional capabilities that you have today, but with automated counts within the facilities. But anything in transit now, you eliminate that issue around the brownouts, and now you're layering in a technology that gives you full visibility and automation throughout the process.